If you can't boast of 1 million naira in your account as a graduate, then you and I need to talk. Look at what Pella is doing as a non-graduate.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Accurate Star Keeper. My name is Pella. So, as for all of you that is jobless, that don't get any job, me, I need a cameraman. Listen to me. Now, all of you is a job, you know, the job don't do now. It remain to your hand. Listen to me. I'll be paying deposit 500,000 a month. Please.
Say this with me. I will never be broke. I will work on myself and change my life. Now, let's dive into today's class. Are you ready? First, there's what I call the graduate trap. The system told you to get a degree, get a job, and live happily ever after. But the reality? So in today's video, I want to move you from frustrated broke graduate to an empowered, happy graduate with lots of money in your account. How do you feel about that?
What if I told you there are 3 critical skills nobody taught you in school that can completely short-circuit this struggle? Skills that don't just get you a job, but make you indispensable, attract opportunities, and yes, potentially make you millions so you can change your life around. Stick around because this isn't another resume tip video. This is about changing your entire trajectory. Think about it. Thousands of graduates, if not millions, same degrees, same job boards. You are competing in a race where everyone looks the same. That's why you're not getting calls. That's why you're stuck in entry-level roles, paying you peanuts. The traditional path is broken for many, but there is a different way. A way to become the creator of value, not just a consumer of job posting. And it starts with these 3 fundamental shifts in your skill set. Let's dive into skill number 1. Acquire a high income paying skill. What did I say? Type it in the comment section because this is non-negotiable. Forget about what your degree taught you. Forget about those theoretical frameworks. Forget about you're a doctor, you're a nurse, you're a lawyer. If his kitchen is a lawyer, look at what she's doing. The market pays for tangible results. So think about it. What problem can you solve for businesses or individuals that they will happily pay a premium for? So you can learn digital marketing. Let me tell you how this works. Businesses need to be seen online. So you're going to learn SEO, search engine optimization, social media advertising, content marketing, and breaking it down so you have options. Each of these options can make you millions. You become the bridge between their product and their customer. Secondly is coding or web development. Every business needs a digital presence. I know how much I have paid for web development. Learn Python, learn JavaScript, app development. You're building the future. Copywriting, people neglect this. Let me tell you, words are powerful. Can you write sales pages, email sequence, or add copy that converts? When I was trying to get somebody that will help me do sales page, do email sequence, and add copy, my dear, the money was in millions. I'm telling you, just for that single service. This directly impacts revenue, I'm telling you. So high ticket sales like learning to sell effectively, ethically, and persuasively, it's a superpower. Every successful business needs sales. You will be the person that will help them connect the dots. So these aren't just jobs. These are levers. You can freelance with them, you start your own agency, or become an invaluable asset to a company. The key is to pick one and go deep. Don't dabble. Just master it. There are countless free and paid resources online to learn this. Stop waiting for someone to teach you. You can start to teach yourself. There are different online learning platforms, Coursera, Udemy, YouTube tutorials, and so on and so forth. This isn't about just learning, it's about doing. So build a portfolio, get testimonials. This is what brings us to skill number 2. Skill number 2 is networking and relationship building. Nobody will teach you this in school. And this is not just about LinkedIn. No, it has nothing to do with that. In fact, in skill number 2, you master the art of strategic networking and relationship building. This has helped my business online and offline. And I'm not just talking about blindly sending LinkedIn connection requests. That's just you're doing spray and pray. I'm talking about genuine connection, providing value first, and building a reputation. So go where the action is. Industry events, online communities. These days, there are so many online communities, even local meetups that are relevant to your high income skill you are pursuing. So lead with value. Don't just ask for a job, offer help. Hey, I saw your company is struggling with XYZ. I have been experimenting with Y and seeing X results. Would you be open to a quick chat about how I might be of help? Be genuinely curious, ask questions, listen more than you speak. People are drawn to those who are interested in them. Then follow up, follow through. If you promise something, deliver. If you say you will reach out, do it. Consistency builds results. Your network isn't just about jobs, it's about partnerships, mentorship, referrals, and discovery opportunities that are never posted publicly. The richest people in the world didn't get there alone. They got there through powerful relationships. Your net worth is often directly tied to your network. And once you have these connections, you need to know how to leverage them, which leads to our final and perhaps most powerful skill: problem identification and solution architecting. In summary, become a problem identifier and solution architect. Most graduates wait to be told what to do. The ones who make millions find problems and then design the solutions. This is where innovation and true value creation happen. Learn to observe first. Look at your current job, your community, your industry. What are the inefficiencies? What's frustrating people? What's missing? Secondly, empathize. Understand the pain points of businesses and individuals. What keeps them up at night? Then brainstorm. How can your income skill be applied to solve that specific problem? Don't just sell a service, sell a solution to their problem. Instead of I do web design, try I help small businesses generate more leads through a high converting website. Then your propose. Don't wait for permission. Identify a problem for a potential client. Outline a solution and present it to them. Even if they don't hire you immediately, you have demonstrated initiative and strategic thinking. One of my students hosted a class. At the end of the day, the result she was trying to get, she didn't achieve it. I told her that something happened. You have initiated yourself, okay? You have moved out into a strategic thinker. So other steps are going to come. This is the difference between being a cog in the machine and being the engineer who designs the machine. Because if you look at what Pella is doing basically, he's just an online streamer and he has been able to impress people with that. And that has transformed his life amazingly. So you too identify a platform. Stay there and make this your skill known, visible. Okay, don't be in all of the platforms. No, I don't advise that. Choose a specific platform and stick with it until you are known there. You are seen as a master on that thing. And let it be, it might even be funny videos. People like to laugh these days because stress is everywhere, frustration is everywhere. So yes, you can actually create something, make people laugh in a positive way, okay? So a very quick recap: acquire a high income skill, master something the market desperately needs. That's number one strategy. Secondly, master strategic networking, build genuine value driven relationships. Thirdly, become a problem identifier and solution architect. Find pain points and craft solution. That's just simply what it means. Stop waiting for the perfect job to magically appear. The job market has fundamentally shifted. It's time for you to shift too. These aren't just skills for getting by. These are skills for building a life of balance, freedom, and significant impact. I'm telling you, start today. Pick one skill, start learning, start building. The world is waiting for you to create value. If you found this valuable, smash the like button, subscribe for more game-changing insights, and tell me in the comments below, which of these three skills are you going to focus on first? Let's build a community of graduates who are not just surviving but thriving. See you in the other side of victory.